Hi, I'm Mackenzie. I'm in Engineering 1 at McMaster, and today I'm going to show you my double room in Hedden Hall. So when I applied to residence, I put my top 4 choices as single rooms, and I was kind of disappointed that I got a double room. But now being here and being with my roommate, I realized it's like having a guaranteed friend. We're both in the same program. We do work together, we hang out all the time. It's really, really nice being in a double room. So this is the bed. So what I brought was a mattress protector and a mattress topper, and then all my sheets with it. It's actually very comfortable when you get a mattress topper on it. It makes it more like homey feeling, nicer feeling. And then under the bed, there's drawers that come with it. Most doubles have the drawers like this, and then there's the under storage bins I brought in. And then this acts as my nightstand, and then my roommate has one as well, but it's a bit different. When I came here, I brought a lot of stuff from home. As you can tell, these are from Walmart, and they're very convenient for storing all of my food. I have some under bin storage, and then I have more storage up top over there. I really, really like the bins. They're really useful to have. You just pull them out. It's like more shelves, I guess you could say, and it's really convenient. I was worried I wasn't gonna have enough storage, but being here, I think I probably have too much stuff here. So this is my desk. There's actually a lot of storage on this desk. The drawers are huge, so all of my textbooks fit in this drawer, and then the desk area itself is really, really big. I have this that keeps my laptop held up, so then I have lots of space here and lots of space under it just for doing all the work. I like to do work here late at night or earlier in the mornings, just because then I don't have to go out to a library or do work. So this rack is a really big residence hack. It's from Walmart. It makes your room look so much nicer. You could hang up so much stuff on here, but also when you go do your laundry, you just throw it all on this rack and just drag it down the elevator. You don't have to carry anything. It's really great. I would really recommend getting a rack like this. So this is my closet. It came with a mirror, and then I put this whiteboard on it from the dollar store so I can write myself messages and reminders. It's quite big. I have so much stuff in here. I have a clothing addiction that's pretty bad, but all the shoes nicely fit in the bottom of the closet. All the stuff hangs up here. You do have to bring your hangers though. And then there's space here. I put some photos, and then there's 2 drawers here, and then a big area here you can put a lot of stuff too. So Hedden has communal kitchens, so that's another reason why I have all this food. So it's nice to cook things, and you can have friends over and make meals, but then also if you're on a lighter meal plan, you might not want to spend a lot of money buying all your food all the time, so it's really convenient and easy to just grab something from one of your bins and just go and walk and make it for breakfast or for lunch. I actually didn't come with a lot of decorations for this room. A lot of the stuff is I collected while being here. I have this whole backboard of McMaster stickers and buttons I've collected while being here, so it's really nice to see those. I also have these posters, which I purchased from the poster sale. It happens at least once a semester in the student center. It's really, really nice, really cheap posters, really nice quality, and it's really convenient to just go there and pick up posters. I have some lights, which I got from the dollar store, so it just makes the room so much nicer looking. And then I would also recommend bringing pictures of friends and family, just so if you ever miss them or feel down, you have these pictures. So Hedden Hall has single-user communal washrooms. The best way to explain that is like in your home, you have your own room, and you would go outside of your room to go use the washroom. Outside of my room, there's 3 washrooms and 5 rooms. So the 5 rooms would share those 3 washrooms, but you could also walk down the hall and use the other washrooms if they were ever full. The showers here, really nice. Washrooms, really clean. They get cleaned twice a day. The staff are really friendly who cleans them. There's never been a problem. I've never had a problem with them being busy. Everyone's on different schedules. Everyone has different assignments and stuff to do. So really, you're always going to find an empty washroom. And it was something that kind of stressed me out when first coming here. I worried about that. But looking back on it, it wasn't a problem at all. And it still isn't a problem now. So this is a fridge. You're not allowed to bring your own fridge. You rent them out. If you rent it out right when they send you the rental email, it's great because you just walk in the room and the fridge is already there. We have our drying rack on top of the fridge, and then this is the fridge itself. There's a lot of room in the fridge. It's really nice to have the fridge. Me and my roommate personally, we split the fridge 50-50, but a lot of people just put whatever they want in it. If you ever run out of room in the fridge, the kitchens that are on every floor, there's 2 on every floor, and then there's 1 in the basement, they also have fridges you can put stuff in. This year, Hedden has a lot of LLCs. They're learning living communities. I'm in the Innovation in Society LLC in Hedden Hall. It's really nice because there's a lot of engineers who are a part of this society. So I'm able to make a lot of friends, meet a lot of my classmates, and work with them in the common rooms or in the study spaces. It's also really nice because a lot of my friends also live here. Well, people I've made friends with, they're all in my residence with me. So we hang out all the time, we go out all the time, and we could just chill in the rooms or in the study rooms. It's a really nice residence. So even though the double wasn't my first choice, wasn't even my second choice, actually my last choice, I really, really love being in the double. I think whatever room you get at McMaster, you're gonna love it. Being on campus, it's so convenient. It's extremely convenient, and I wouldn't trade this experience for the world. I've met so many friends, I've had so many experiences in residence. I really, really love it. So thank you for checking out my room. I really hope to see you here next year.